everyone! Ever get tripped up by some and any in English? You are not alone. These words are used to talk about amounts or quantities. But knowing when to use which can be tricky. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about some. Think of some as your go-to word for positive sentences when you are talking about an uncertain or limited amount. It works with both things you can count or things you can't. When using some with uncountable nouns, it indicates an unspecific amount. For example, I have some information about the project. Or, Maria needs some advice on her career. Please notice how information and advice don't have the plural forms. Now, let's look at countable nouns. Some is used with plural countable nouns when you don't need to be exact. Like, there are some apples on the table. Or, my friend and I bought some books at the store. Simple, right? Alright, move on to any. Any is primarily used in questions and negative sentences. It's all about uncertainty or denial. In questions, any asks about the existence or quantity of something. For instance, do you have any questions? Or, is there any milk left in the fridge? Or, are there any cookies in the jar? In negative sentences, any emphasizes the absence of something. Let's take a look at this. I don't have any money. She doesn't have any friends in the city. There aren't any apples left. Now for the exceptions. Some can be used in questions when you are offering or requesting something. As an example, would you like some tea? Can I have some water, please? And any can be used in positive sentences when it means whatever or whoever. For instance, you can choose any book you like. Or, she can call anytime. Now, I have a mini quiz for you all. Ready for a quiz? Let's test your knowledge. Question 1. Do you have blank books on history? Question 2. She doesn't have blank siblings. Question 3. Can I get blank advice from you? Question 4. There aren't blank chairs in the room. Question 5. Would you like blank sugar in your coffee?
To sum up, some is generally for positive sentences, requests, and offers, while any is for questions and negatives with a few exceptions. Keep practicing and you'll master some and any in no time. See you in the next video.